Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to show you a new quick way to accept me as your Zoho partner. We've obviously, at some point, I would have thought we've had a conversation about accepting me, and you'll know the situation. If you're in a free version of Zoho, it helps me let Zoho know how many people I'm helping, even on the free version. If you're on a paid version, I obviously get paid a commission on helping you monthly. At the moment, it's 15% for the first year. If I upgrade to the next level when I've got more partners, it'll be 25% of what you pay for the first 3 years. That is only for new signups. So if you've already signed up and you're paying, I won't get paid anything for your sign up. But it'll be good for Zoho to know that you are accepting me as your partner. So what you need to do is come to this page, paulnicholson.com/Zoho partner, and you can check or add me as your Zoho partner, right? So what you do is you just click this button, depending on if you log into the Zoho.com data center. If you use Zoho.com, click here. If you use Zoho.eu, click here, right? So just click and accept. I'm already logged in as a customer account on Zoho that hasn't signed up with my partner links, isn't a partner with me in a minute. So it's going to look at your account, see if you're partners with anybody, and see if you're not. So you'll see here, it'll say workplace and Zoho One. It'll say whatever you are. You can select individually which ones you want to you partner with me, and which ones you don't. I'm not allowed to partner. Well, I'm not allowed. I'm not authorized to partner with some of the apps on Zoho. But don't worry, just click select all. Tag your partner. It's going to say here, do you want to give your mail panel access to your partner? Don't tick it. I don't need it and I don't want it. So don't worry about this. Don't tick it. But the partner code, if you're on .com, Zoho.com, is PaulCom. That's my partner code for Zoho.com, if you're using that. If you're using the Zoho.eu, it's PaulEU. And then submit, right? So I'm going to put it back to PaulCom, submit. Below the services you're going to associated with the Happy Me Limited company, which is my company, and proceed. So I'm not allowed to, I'm not allowed to partner with people on Workspace. It's not something Zoho have associated with me, but I am allowed for one. So when I go close, it's going to come up here. It's going to let me know that you've partnered. It's going to let you know you've partnered with Happy Me Limited. And we're in. So now you've got tag your partner, nothing on this free plan, but together we are partners on Zoho One in this case, right? So let me just go back to the start. If you've just come here and you want to see who you're partners with, click Zoho.com. It's going to log back in. It's going to go back to that page, isn't it? So if you're coming here going, I'm going to accept Paul as my partner, but as you open up this section, it says Zoho services already tagged with a partner. This may say Zoho Teaching Limited or Z Teaching Limited. You may have already signed up with a partner, and if that's the case, I do not want you to remove them as your partner and accept me. They've obviously done some work to get you to sign up. And therefore, I don't want to take over that partner. I wouldn't want people to do that to me. I don't want to do it to other people. Just email me and we'll sort something out. You know, there's other ways where we can help each other out rather than this. So if you've already got associations with partners, don't tick it. Obviously, if there's anything up here that I can partner with, tick up here and try. And the other thing is, if I've upset you, if I haven't given you any value, if you are annoyed with me for any reason, if you just hover over where it says Zoho One free, it might say paid enterprise probably, hover over it and just click remove partner. Are you sure you want to remove? Yes. Right, we have received your request to remove Happy Me Limited from your Zoho One account, and that will put the wheels in motion to remove me. I think it actually sends me a message to confirm it. So I don't obviously want you to go, but that is how you remove me. As I say, do not tag me as your partner if you've already got one. You're with somebody else, you can message me and we can talk about what we can do though. Right, so just once again, to tag me and stuff, select all for these top things that are not tagged to anything. Tag your partner. My .com code, Zoho.com code is PaulCom. My EU code is PaulEU. If you do it wrong, it's going to say it's invalid, right? But if you're in the other version, it's going to tag you. It's not going to let me in, is it? But do you want to proceed? Obviously, I'm not allowed to on that. So hopefully that makes sense. Helps me continue free training. Helps me continue giving bonuses and extra value to those people that I am getting paid by. As I say, if you've already started paying Zoho, I won't get paid on anything you're already paying. I will get paid on any upgrades, any extra users, any level ups you go. I get paid on the upgrades. People signing up for the first time, then there's partner links. But if you haven't already, just tag me as your partner and that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. Any questions, also, as always, leave a comment. Go back to this and click help here. Type in the question and create a ticket, or email support@paulnicholson.com and I will help you best you can. Hopefully we can work together and I can help your company out, and where everybody wins. Zoho's getting paid, you're getting paid, so you're getting paid by customers. Hopefully I get a little piece of the action too, but I've obviously got the Zoho forums, the Zoho Facebook groups, and the YouTube stuff that I do, which is where you may be watching this. Have a great day, have a great year. I'm here to help. Let me know how I can help. Cheers, guys.